Hey, big head. I have a secret. I have to tell you something. Just get the bidet, okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Feminine Hygiene Tips that your mama should have taught you, but she didn't. It's okay though, that's why I'm here. You know that feeling that you have whenever you just got dressed, you look good, you smell good, you feel good, you're about to walk out of the house with that outfit on and that perfume and those shoes, and just the confidence that radiates. We should have that every single time we step out of the bathroom, no matter where we are. I hope the tips that I share with you ladies today can give you that I'm ready to step out kind of feeling. I wanted to approach this video from the standpoint of being on the go. These are of course things that you can use also whenever you're in your house. A lot of these things are just good practices and good things to do in general, and just healthy like feminine hygiene habits. So we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this video. Ladies, come here. I have a secret. I have to tell you something. You need to start washing your hands before you use the bathroom. Girl, there's so many things that our hands come in contact with, from the journey of wherever you are or whatever you were doing to the moment that you are literally about to take care of your business whenever you're in the bathroom. This is a good practice to have whenever you're at home, but especially whenever you're out in public, just because grabbing doors, grabbing utensils, touching the table, touching the chair, touching all these different things before you get into the bathroom. So I kind of want to walk y'all through what my routine is like whenever I am using the bathroom in a public place before we get into like the specifics of everything else. Let's say I'm literally at work, right? I'm about to leave my desk and I'm about to go to the bathroom. As soon as I get into the bathroom, I'm going to roll down the napkin from the paper towel dispenser so that I don't have to touch it once my hands are clean. So I roll my napkins down, I go ahead and wash my hands. I take my paper towel, I'm like extra with it, I know, but it just makes me feel better. I take my paper towel and I open the door to the stall. I lock the door to the stall still with the paper towel in my hand, and then I'll just sit the paper towel down on top of the trash can or on top of the rail or somewhere where I can still pick it up and open the door to get out of the stall. I always keep a spray bottle of alcohol in my purse because I like to wipe down surfaces and clean things everywhere that I go majority of the time. I don't use traditional hand sanitizer. Sometimes I put a couple drops of essential oil in it if I want to, you know, make it smell like peppermints or whatever, or lemon or orange or something like that, but I use that to clean my hands and to kind of clean my surroundings. I like to spray down the back of the hook on the back of the door and kind of the area around that, because my bag is going to be leaning against it. I'll spray down the toilet seat, the toilet paper dispenser, and pretty much anything that I may potentially brush up against or come in contact with, just because it just makes me feel just a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more secure whenever I am in spaces that I did not clean and that other people are frequenting. So once I've kind of cleaned up and sanitized the area, the next thing I like to do is pull out my toilet seat covers. So I kind of got spoiled with being in the airport and being at work in places that I'm often, that they have the toilet seat covers, the ones that either change by themselves or they just have them available for you to take them out of the box and use yourself. So I felt like that was something that I wanted to experience every time I needed to use the bathroom in a public place. So I started buying my own and keeping them in my bag with me. I'll go ahead and take one of those out and I'll, you know, spread it out, do what I need to do, put it across the toilet. This does not mean that you should still sit on the toilet. It's just there in case you happen to slip or you get a little low and you might touch your thigh against the toilet. It's just a little extra protection. If you sit on the toilet seat, I may just judge you. I was gonna say that I wouldn't, but I might. I don't know. This is where it gets extremely fun. So I like a couple different ways of cleaning up and kind of freshening up down there after using the bathroom. Number one, obviously we're using toilet paper. Number two, I like to use my portable bidet. Since I've gotten this portable bidet, it has literally changed my entire life. I want to bring it everywhere with me. I'm literally getting one installed on my toilets at home because like it's 100% necessary. It has 100% elevated the way that I feel whenever I'm out and I'm, you know, using the bathroom. It makes you feel clean, like you literally just got out of the shower. Like it is an essential. Just get the bidet, okay? If you take away only one thing from this video, I want it to be that you need a portable bidet. Whenever you're washing your hands before you go into the stall, after your hands are clean, you can go ahead and pull out your bidet, fill it up with some water, go inside of the stall. Then that's whenever you kind of start doing your cleanup and all of that kind of stuff. I wanted to save that piece because I didn't want to spoil it at the very beginning. All in all, the portable bidet has changed the game for me. I like to use the toilet paper, I like to use the bidet, and then I'll kind of go from there depending on what I need to do afterwards. So like if your BFF is in town and she has you, you know, doing some extra things down there, she's making a mess and you're kind of having to clean that up, the bidet obviously is going to be like clutch for that. Of course, having wipes, because every woman carries wipes in her purse. That's a no-brainer. And then also too, I want to mention how important it is to make sure that you are dry down there before you're putting your pans back on. So come back with some toilet paper, or if you keep some little tissues in your bag or something like that, and dry the area before you get ready to put your pans back on. But once you've pottied, you are all good to go. Now is where we're going to take care of the rest of our feminine hygiene kind of freshen up routine. Obviously, you're going to wash your hands, you can touch up your makeup, you can touch up your oral care. So if you want to floss or you want to scrape your tongue, you can carry the little wisp toothbrushes with you and kind of, you know, clean your mouth out with those. Mouthwash, you can rinse there. Also, of course, gum. All the girlies keep gum in their bag because like you just never know if you eat something or you drink some coffee or something and it kind of stays in your mouth. Put that gum in there and it's going to take care of that. I don't even know why I needed to say that because like everybody knows that you keep gum in your purse. Okay, whatever. You can reapply your lipstick, your lip gloss, lip liner, your chapstick, whatever your thing is. We're also going to check and make sure that our nose is clean. You can touch up your hair, so you can brush it, you can kind of fluff it up, flip your head upside down, shake it around, do what you need to do to make sure, you know, you walk out and you look like you just came from home again. One of my very favorite things to do whenever I'm doing my freshen up kind of routine is to reapply my perfume, but not overdoing it. Is always tricky because I feel like we get so used to the way that we smell already that like when we put more perfume on, being that we can't smell it because we've been smelling it all day, we go overboard. So kind of just dabbing a little bit of perfume oil here and there, of course putting on some lotion, your favorite scents, and kind of just warming yourself back up, right? And kind of just going into that bathroom, you know, with the night on you or with the day on you so far, and then coming back out clean and fresh and just like re-energized, and you look better and you just feel like you're ready to conquer those next couple of hours or minutes or whatever is coming after. I'm assuming that if you're interested in a on-the-go kind of feminine hygiene video, that you are at places for an extended amount of time or away from home for an extended amount of time. So I recommend having a bag that has enough space for you to keep your feminine hygiene things in. Another thing that I want to point out, something that I do all the time, is I keep a hygiene bag with me in the car whenever we're going out for like, you know, quick bites to eat with the girls, brunch, date night, going to the movies, that kind of thing. Sometimes you bring smaller bags, right? Because you're not going to be away from home forever. You don't need the whole kitchen sink in your purse, small cute little bag. You don't really have a lot of room for those things in there, but you still want to make sure that you have them in case you need them. So I'm very much so that girl when it comes to having everything that I need in the car with me at all times. So I'll keep my little pouch in the car that'll have my brush, my deodorant, you know, lotion, everything that I need is going to be in that bag. So at any point if I need to run outside and, you know, take care of my business, freshen up real quick, I can do that, or run outside, grab my bag and bring it back in. Or if you like to brunch hop like me and you're going from place to place to place, you have your stuff in the car so that you can touch up on the go with no issues. It's been so much fun chatting with you guys today. I hope you learned something from this video. If I mentioned something here that is new to you and something that you want to implement in your feminine hygiene routine, let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if you do something that I haven't mentioned that me and the rest of the girlies here need to try, definitely leave that in the comment section down below. I love hearing new recommendations for products or techniques and all of those like very useful and helpful things and just little tips and tricks. I hope you enjoyed this video. It unfortunately is the end, but I have another video that you may like, so go ahead and check that out. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.